My name is Yuval Makover. I'm the CEO for Octal Corporation. Our strategy vision is to execute and the capabilities and portfolio of the Gevasol Group.
My name is Danielle, and I am the COO here at Octal. As a military contractor, as a company that's certified to various quality standards, we need to maintain all forms of traceabilities and configuration controls. Once Priority came in, they provided a full solution for these problems.
Priority helped us tremendously to meet our goals at every department and process in the business, and we feel much more efficient.
Priority system has separated themselves from other ERP systems by being able to really tailor their software to fit their customers' needs. Engineers there have worked with us hand in hand to develop project planning solutions and project reports that we needed specific for our contracts. They understand that it's not a one-size-fits-all. We have sister companies, vendors, and customers spread across the globe, and doing business worldwide is a breeze in Priority. From choosing your currencies and specific documents, or being able to set up for our employees their preferred language in the system, it's all a simple click of a button.
Priority software gave us much better analytics, get much better decision making, and capture real-time opportunities that came from our customers.
A robust ERP is what you get with Priority. The upgrades and developments that come out of them, combined with the tailored solutions that they can provide us, is key and vital for us to continue to grow. I would recommend Priority to anybody who would listen, and they will provide you solutions, and what could be better than that?